Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan. Just got up today on this beautiful Saturday morning, man. We got a lot going on. We got some sports today. I know we got like basketball, UFC. We also got weather ain't bad today. I don't know why I'm discussing that though. Today we're gonna be getting into two Kobe releases, which are set for April 13th. I have them both in hand with me right here. The Kobe 4 Proto Philly and also the Kobe 8 Proto Venice Beach. Two different Kobe models, but we're going to get into the details, the unique ones of each sneaker right here. So I hope you all will enjoy this video. Y'all want more early reviews just like this, subscribe and like down below. Don't forget, I was trying to 200 likes on this video, and just quickly drop a comment. Let me know which one you're rocking with more, the Philly or the Venice Beach, or both. I'll take that as an answer. So that's all I really need to say. And you guys don't forget, check my Instagram down below. I'm right now giving away a pair of military blue Jordan 4s. Just go to my most recent reel on my page, and that is the giveaway right there. So you won't miss it. It's literally the most recent video on my page, also the most recent post. So hope y'all have been enjoying that. The winner will be selected soon. And yeah, let's get started. So first things first, gonna say one thing. These are both going to be retailing at $190, and again, both dropping on April 13th. I do not have confirmation yet if they're going to be dropping at retailers, but I do believe we may be seeing these ones drop at some Foot Lockers. The Kobe 4 Proto Philly is going to be more limited for anybody curious. So this is going to be the more limited one. This will be the one we might see at some Foot Lockers. However, both will be hidden sneakers, so just keep that in mind. So aside from that, the one I actually want to get into discussing first, since I've already done an in-depth video of these on my channel, I want to get into discussing these. So let's go ahead and dive into the Kobe 4 Proto Philly. So as you guys can see, one of the main parts I want to discuss is this portion right here in the sneaker, right around kind of where your ankle would be, right here. Also the tongue tag and back by the heel. This is actually somewhat reflective. If you take a photo, flash. I don't think if I shine my light in it, it doesn't really do any justice. Let me show y'all an actual photo of what these look like when you put the flash on them. Maybe y'all could just see that right there. So it shines a little bit, and you can see actually in the photos, it's really, really noticeable. So these shine. That's one of the main things I wanna point out to you guys. It may not look like it, but it does. It's just, it's only it's not like a glow in the dark thing, right? It's only when you're taking pictures of them. So aside from that, let's kind of dive back into these. So we just kind of have that red, white, and blue colorway. Nothing too shocking. As you guys can see, we have red and white laces. So pretty simple theme right there. I do believe these may come with some other laces, with pairs that will have like OG-all and everything. I don't have OG-all with these. I just have these laces, but they might have a different pair. Maybe not. I think the Grinches had a different set of laces, so I don't know, why these wouldn't. Some of the other recent Kobe 8s, like the emerald greens and court purples, I think those had another set as well. So I could see these having another set, maybe not. If only one set of laces, I don't really think that's a big deal to people. But another thing we got on the inside of the sneaker, I believe, my dad and I were talking about this yesterday, and I was like, well, this would probably make the most sense. He was talking about this, so let me show y'all this. On the inside of the heel of the sneaker here, as you guys can see, we got Kobe's birthday. And that is now covered. That has now been covered again. But you guys can see that says 08. I believe it's 23 or 13. Sorry. Yeah, it's 08-23-78. So I believe that is his birthday. That would be August 23rd of 1978. So I don't know why that took me so long. But yeah, I believe that's Kobe's birthday. It would make sense. Maybe I'm wrong on that, but that's what, some of my dad and I were talking about yesterday. We're like, oh, that's probably Kobe's birthday. I could have taken the time. Yeah, it's Kobe's birthday. I literally could have taken that. I was thinking about that in my head. I was like, you could take the 5 seconds just to look that up. So yeah, that is Kobe's birthday. It's just kind of funny I didn't look that up before. But aside from that, another portion of the sneaker I want to show you guys is the sole. This is probably one of my favorite parts. Again, guys, I discuss this over and over. I'm such a sucker for any see-through sole, and you guys can see it's really only on kind of the top part of the sneaker where maybe like the arc of your foot would end or start, and then kind of like by the toes. That's really the only translucent part, because once you get down here to the white and red part of the sneaker, it's not actually translucent. So you can see it's kind of like a 2-in-1, which I think is really cool. I like how they did it. Both the soles are the same. You can see in terms of design, so hopefully y'all can see that right there. But a really clean sneaker. I mean, these are going to be in heavy demand. The early resale prices are up there. I see these sitting most likely above $375. That'd be my prediction. Small sizes probably going for the lesser amount, the lower amount. But if you're looking for a big size, I got a 10 and 10.5 in these, by the way. So anybody interested, just hit me up on IG. But yeah, these are going for a pretty big bag at the moment. That's one of the main things I will say. But another thing I can show you guys is Kobe's signature on the sneaker. Hopefully I'm showing you. Hold on. There we go. Sorry, I had the wrong one. But there you guys can see that, just kind of the white Kobe signature. Also have the Nike swoosh on these. I really like actually how they did the center portion of the sneaker, not the sole, but like this right here. I like how they did this. It's kind of a cool little theme. Just kind of got that navy colorway, and then got some white lines kind of going underneath the swoosh. I think that's cool. It's a small detail, but I think small details can make a sneaker better, and you know, it's just one of the main things I'm gonna point out. But also the toe box on these, another portion, just kind of have that blue leather material. So just hopefully y'all can see that right there. And then the tongue tag is also that same material as the toe box. So that is one thing I'll point out. However, again, when you're taking those photos, the tongue tag is gonna flash, so it's pretty cool. Another part also, so aside from the stars, we got, you know, right up here, also by the heel, we got number 24, so Kobe's number, and that is on the heel of the other one as well. So you can see that's on both of them. Hopefully y'all can see that. And yeah, here's the tongue tag. So keep in mind, this is going to be one of the ones that's dropping on April 13th. This is going to be the more limited one from what I've heard at the moment, but no surprise. I mean, this is a really, really nice pair. So, yeah, if I come across a 9, I might be keeping them. We'll see though. I've kept a couple personals recently, so I'll just be flipping these. But yeah, hit me up if you're interested. I got 10 and 10.5 early right now. So aside from the Phillies, another one we got April 13th is going to be the Kobe 8 Proto Venice Beach. So we've seen a lot of Kobe 8s recently. We got the emerald greens, we got the court purples. I'm forgetting one more, but there was another Kobe 8. We got the Kobe 8 Bombasitas on the way, and we also have the Kobe 8 Venice Beach, which is one I have right here. I have 8 and 8.5 left in these, I think. So anybody interested, let me know on my IG. But aside from that, I think this colorway is nice. I think it really depends, you know, what colors you rock with. Are you rocking with brighter, more vibrant colors? Are you kind of rock them, you know, with darker, maybe more subtle, blend in, you know, colors that blend in a bit more? I think that's, you know, where people would decide which one they like more. It just depends on their personal taste, you know, and I'm not knocking either one. You know, both are extremely fly. I would take either one for retail, and I'm sure most of you would agree with me there. But aside from that, y'all can see we got the thin tongue tag on these, so, you know, nothing too different. You know, that's just the same as the 2013 pair. Since keep in mind, these have dropped before. Same with the Phillies. These are both just retros. They're not new pairs, right? They're just the retro version. These have both came out before, right? So just 2013 for these ones right here. So aside from that, another detail we got the Nike swoosh right there. Then we got this fabric material that is going, oh, didn't mean to hit my camera, but yeah, fabric material which is going all around them. Then we got kind of these red speckled yellow laces, which is pretty nice on these. Thin tongue tag. And one thing I wonder about this is, like, is this gonna rub up on people's ankles and, you know, kind of like cut it? I don't think it will though. I think it's gonna be pretty bendable, and I think it's a nice part. Really like the OG Kobe logo we got there also, and then here is his signature orange right there. And then the soles on these, very nice and simple, all see through. I'm cool with it. I think they could have done it a different color, but I'm not complaining. It's based off, you know, the older version, so they're not gonna change too much. And there's the Kobe logo in the center right there, blue circle, orange logo, carbon fiber plate in the center, which is a very common theme on Kobe's. You can see carbon fiber, carbon fiber. They just like doing that, which is a good thing. You know, it makes them durable. Hence why Kobe's are, you know, some of the best sneakers to hoop in, and why they're so popular now. I mean, aside from, you know, the hype, it's just, yeah, people are like, oh wait, these are actually really, why was I sleeping on these? You know what I mean? So aside from that, that is really everything I need to say. I wish I definitely kept some of my old basketball sneakers from back in the day, from when I was like 12, 13. I could only imagine what they're worth now, but it's like, were you thinking about that when you were 12, 13? Hell no. So aside from that, I was just thinking about like how many points I get. So that's it, man. Those were the hoop days, though. I hooped until I was like 14, 15. Then I took track more seriously. So that's it. Let me know what you guys think about these. Again, Kobe 4 Philly. Are you taking these, or are you taking the Venice Beach? Let me know. For me personally, I'm taking the Philly. I'm not just riding with the hype. Just me personally, I rock with kind of more dark, subtle colorways. But this isn't even that subtle, you know what I mean? It kind of pops, which is what I rock with. It's a dark colorway, but, you know, they got it popping on these, which is cool. And I also like the subtle kind of reflective details we have on these when you're taking a photo with flash, how it shows there. So Venice Beach, Philly, let me know which one you're feeling more in the comments, or both. Again, I said I'd take that as an answer. So you guys can subscribe and like for more content like this. Just trying to 200 likes on this video. And again, do not forget, you guys can hit me up on my IG. I got 10, 10.5 in the Venice Beach, 8 and 8.5 left in or no, 10 and 10.5. For the Venice Beach, I got 8, 8.5, 10.5, and 11.5. Excuse me. So I actually have a decent amount of sizes in those. So some big sizes. Anybody interested, let me know. And in the Phillies, I got a 10 and 10.5. So that's the sizes for those. Sorry, I don't know why I was confused about that. But yeah, don't forget to also check out my Instagram down below, because the Military Blue Jordan 4 giveaway is going on there. So you better get entered if you haven't. But that's it. I don't got a screen recording going or anything. So I will catch you on the next video. I'm going to get this video edited, because your boy's got to watch some sports later. Very, very big business. You know, important stuff. Kidding, but yeah. I'll catch y'all in the next one. See you then. Peace.